Yoga Buddies! I'm so happy you're here today! Before we start our fun yoga time, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and click subscribe so you never miss a yoga adventure with us. We've got some amazing poses and happy stretches waiting for you, so let's breathe in deeply. Get ready! Let's begin our yoga adventure! Sit. Relax with your legs crossed, hands on your knees, and close your eyes softly. This is easy pose. Excellent! This pose helps you feel calm, peaceful, and ready to focus. Stretch your arms and reach for your toes with a calm breath in. Excellent stretch. It helps your back relax and your mind feel peaceful. Stretch your legs forward, reach for your toes, and take a slow, deep breath. Wonderful! This pose makes your back soft, your legs flexible, and your mind quiet. Place your hands under your shoulders and lift up like a friendly cobra. Perfect! This pose makes your spine strong and fills you with courage. Keep your elbows down, legs straight, and hold still like a superhero plank. Amazing! This pose builds power in your core and helps you stay steady. Lift your body sideways and balance on one hand, like a star shining bright. Wow! This pose makes your arms and tummy super strong. Lift your body sideways and balance on one hand. This pose makes your arms and tummy super strong. Stretch one arm up high and lean to the side like a rainbow. Excellent! your sides strong and helps your body bend easily. Now lift your left arm up high and lean to the left side. Make a beautiful rainbow the other way. Excellent! This stretch helps your body stay flexible and strong on both sides. Hold your ankles and lift your chest to the sky. Feel your heart open. Wow! This pose makes your back stronger and your body feel full of energy. Grab your feet and lift your chest. Now you look like a little bow. Great job! This pose opens your chest and keeps your back flexible. Stand tall and lift one leg behind, stretching your arm like a graceful dancer. Beautiful. This pose helps you balance and feel confident like a star. Now switch legs. Lift the other one behind you and stretch your arm forward like a graceful dancer. Beautiful balance! This pose makes both sides of your body strong and steady, like a true dancer. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently let it go. You did such a beautiful job today, little yogi. Your body feels relaxed, your mind is calm, and your heart is happy. Thank you for practicing with us at Yogi Buddies. If you enjoyed this yoga time, don't forget to subscribe and join us again for more peaceful adventures.